Hello, what are you up to today? We decided to visit ВДНХ. Just a little bit of useful information for you. ВДНХ is All Russia Exhibition Center. But firstly, to get to ВДНХ, you have to get out from the underground station, also named ВДНХ. Yep, so come on, let's go. For you to know, ВДНХ is pretty and I must say not pretty, extremely busy place, especially in summertime. And so that's the main entrance and that's the archway. And on the top of this archway you may see a tractor driver and kolkhoz woman. Kolkhoz woman is a woman just who works in a village especially, and tractor driver is tractor driver. I think it's understandable and clear. So eventually we're here at ВДНХ. It is just a huge park with a lot of pavilions, and many of pavilions are related to countries of USSR. ВДНХ is a great place for walking with your friends, family. In this park you can do roller skating, just skating in winter, see fascinating flower beds, take pictures close to fountains. Also you can ride bikes and just spend time with your family and people who you love. So that's it. I have some interesting fact for you. If you want to say space in English language, you can also use the word cosmos, because English people also use this word as a tribute to first Russian space expedition. So let's go to cosmos using this rocket. So our walk is over for today. Waiting for you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.